Sometimes we make suggestions using phrases such as how about or what about. If the next word in our sentence is a verb, then it has to be a gerund. Why? First of all, let's look at what a gerund is. A gerund is a verb that ends in ing. It looks like a verb, but it acts like a noun. It can be difficult to remember how to use gerunds correctly. We're going to look at one important rule. When a verb follows a preposition, it must be a gerund. So if we go back and look at our suggestion phrases, what can we see? How about? What about? We have a preposition, about. So if we make a full suggestion sentence using a verb after the preposition, we might say, how about doing some interviews with our customers? Our verb do has to be in the gerund form because it follows the preposition about. Here's another suggestion. What about finding some new people to take the survey? Our verb has to be the gerund finding because it follows the preposition about. This happens with any verb and any preposition. Here are some more examples. What do you think of doing some more research before we continue? How about going to the next phase in September? Thank you for helping me finish those tasks. As you can see from this last example, it is not just for questions and suggestions. Remember, it is any verb and any preposition in any type of sentence. There is a lot more to learn about using gerunds properly. This rule is an important one to remember. It's a good tip for improving your fluency.